Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Samarjeet. Samarjeet has been trading with us from the 2nd of April 2021 up until this present date in question of 17th of May 2021. This is the journey of Samarjeet. Samarjeet has maintained a daily gain of 0.18%, an absolute gain of 3.55%, and had a total of 24 trades, just 24 trades in a space of a month and a half. So out of the 24 trades, Samarjit has won 8 and lost 16. So basically, we have a 33% gain, percentage rate gain, and 67% loss, but overall we've hit 10%. This is what it's down, this comes down to money management, having a trading plan, and securing profit. I'm curious to see how this was done on 24 trades. So before we get into that, let's have a look at the monthly analytics and the monthly gain. On April of last month, we had a total gain of 7.85%, and in May 0.52% as of present, which brings us to the total of hitting our 10%. So looking at the summary of trades, we can see Samarjit has traded quite a few pairs, but I'm just going to pick out the pairs that stand out. That's the Euro CAD, that's the Pound AUD, and that's the New Zealand Dollar Yen. Samarjit has been very effective in trading these pairs, and I recommend moving forward, let your emphasis and your focus be on the pairs that make you the most money and pips, because you cannot go wrong on that. Also, let's look at a few of your trades now, your trade history. As we can see, I always flag traders who trade without using a stop loss. It's very dangerous if when the market comes very volatile and you have no control of the trade and you can be emotionally unbalanced, and it opens the door to a lot of problems. So I recommend you always use a stop loss when you're trading. Always maintain discipline and consistency with that. Also, look at the market in general as well. Ask yourself, are you executing these trades with no hesitation? Review your trades, learn from your mistakes. Look at the fundamentals on the Forex calendar if there's anything that will disrupt your position. Also, pay attention to your psychology. Trade what you understand. Always use a stop loss. Trade with using low risk, high reward trades, control your emotions, and you can build your psychology by reading psychology books from like Trading in the Zone from Mark Douglas. Also, the four pillars of success, which is very simple: have a trading plan, be persistent with it, have that trading edge, and make sure your psychology and your emotional mindset is very positive and strong. You will always have the edge in the market if you maintain these attributes. And this is a very good achievement. Congratulations on it. And I look forward to reviewing the account in the future.